Hello. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Felicity Hotel. How can I help you?
I would like to book a room reservation.
Okay, ma'am. What date will be you arrive?
I would like to reserve in the day, March 1 to 5.
Okay, ma'am. What room you will be booked, ma'am?
I want a superior room.
Okay, ma'am. Wait a moment, ma'am. Let me check if they have room available. Yes, ma'am. We have room available for you, ma'am. May I know your name, ma'am?
It's Sandara W.
Can you spell your last name, ma'am?
G-A,
What?
G as in gold, A, double L.
And your first name, ma'am?
S-A-N-D-A-R-A.
How about your middle name, ma'am?
C.
May I know your home address, ma'am?
Tubungan Consolacion.
May I know your contact number?
09-455-83447.
May I know your company? Company address?
I only travel for vacation, not for
Okay. May I know your mode payment?
I would like to pay in cash.
Okay, ma'am, yours. Superior. The superior price, ma'am, is 4,200. Okay, ma'am, I will receive 5,000. Here's your change, ma'am. your reservation, ma'am, is already booked, ma'am. Thank you for choosing Felicity Hotel, ma'am. Thank you.